Peer-to-peer in the age of a centralized globalist financial system. My name is Segun Magbiola. I'm the founder and creator of Azima. Azima is a token and decentralized app that enables peer-to-peer trading, crypto loans and business payment solutions. By trading, I mean specifically the activities of buying crypto in exchange for fiat currency and vice versa. The purpose of this video is to educate and inform crypto enthusiasts and potential users and investors about our project and how it can benefit them in their day-to-day life. Peer-to-peer lending is a process whereby people exchange money between each other without the need for a centralized authority to facilitate the transactions. This opens up a staggering amount of possibilities within the financial world and essentially puts power back with the people. The current banking system is flawed and it is facing a major collapse. It's been this way for decades. If you watch any 1 to 5 minute video on the current banking system explained, it would explain to you that money is debt. They call it fractional reserve banking. People, banks and countries are broke. Why? Because they're operating in debt. Zimbabwe, Venezuela, Lebanon are some of the worst countries with hyperinflation. We've come off the gold standard. This essentially means our money is worthless, hence the term fiat currency. That's why when you look at a banknote it says, I promise to pay the bearer the sum of 5, 10, 20 pounds. You're not actually paying them, you're promising to pay them. Governments simply print money as and when they like. This overprinting of money obviously has negative consequences, including inflation, high interest rates and market volatility. Did you know that 80% of all US dollars in existence were printed from January 2020 to October 2021? I don't know about you, but that's an insane calculation to actually wrap your head around. But the worrying thing is, this was all done by design. Since 2020, the media's kept pushing the Great Reset. They want to collapse the economy and bring in a new world order for World Bank, CBDCs, market of the beast system, totalitarian police state where everything on the planet is under their control. With that in mind, here's a short clip of Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson describing the current banking system.
A world of centralization, a world of custodians, a world of high regulation, a world where you're told what you're allowed to think, do, feel, and you have no voice. The current world financial order, you have absolutely no say in how your money works, who mints it, how much of it there is, how it's stored, what you're allowed to do with it. At any given moment, your bank account could be shut down, a transaction can be reversed, and at any given moment, a social credit notion can be attached to our money, especially in the age of CBDCs, and you can be told that what you buy, what you do, you're just not allowed to do that anymore. This is the dream of the people currently attending WEF, and this is a reality for almost 2 billion people within the orbit of Belt and Road in China, as we witness the People's Bank of China merge their CBDC with social credit. That will come by default to Europe and to North America, and every person alive will be in some version of that system, soft or hard. The next 5 years, the innovations we make in this industry are going to determine whether we have a third option between total anarchy and chaos in this dystopian reality.
The Azima token and ecosystem is built on the Cardano network. I align with their mission, which essentially is about social empowerment and creating positive global change. Look out for my video on why I chose to build on the Cardano, coming soon. I was introduced to spiritual economics about 10 years ago and it has always stuck with me. Being a skilled IT professional, I was inspired to launch a crypto company that could help to tackle these problems and create a better financial system. The solution is to replace government-controlled centralized money and centralized crypto exchanges with a distributed and decentralized alternative. Every crypto exchange failure incident reasserts the importance of decentralized finance and highlights the problems with our traditional centralized financial models. Peer-to-peer transactions is a definition of decentralization. At Azima, we recognise the imminent system collapse and have created our company with the intention of combating this and moving towards a more sustainable, fairer banking system based on trust and equal gain. Now, even though blockchain technology is on a high level decentralised, the actual buying of crypto can take place on a centralised exchange using order books. Centralised exchanges have a place in crypto and solve major problems, but recently many have gone under and actually halted withdrawals, leaving millions of users unable to access their funds. 2022 saw a high number of profile crypto exchanges go bankrupt and stop customer withdrawals, including Genesis, FTX, Celsius, 3AC and BlockFi. This obviously highlights the need for P2P trading, and it can be used alongside the CEXs, but with its own advantages. P2P traders can earn profit by completing P2P trades and accessing special member benefits. If you would like to register your interest to be a P2P trader on Azima, then please head over to our website and fill in the form. There is a quota for each trading pair, so get in early to avoid disappointment. I've posted a link in the description for easy access. Now, in case you're wondering, well, this all sounds fine and dandy, but when will I actually need to use this? Well, I live in London and Kenya, and there's a major crypto regulation in the UK. Some banks won't even allow you to buy crypto. They've completely blocked it. I even had one bank calling me asking me if I've been a victim of fraud when trying to buy crypto. Blockchain technology is one of their biggest fears because it would put them out of business. They would become redundant. Now, currently there's a crazy draconian travel rule that means you're not even allowed to send crypto from one wallet to another. All of this is BS, and it just highlights the need for decentralized finance and peer-to-peer trading. If you buy, let's say, $30 of crypto on some exchanges, you can end up paying up to $5 to $6 just in fees. So how do I get past this? Well, I actually use peer-to-peer trading on Binance. I mentioned I live in London and Kenya, so most of the time if I want to buy crypto, I use peer-to-peer. I have a local Kenyan money app called M-Pesa. It uses Kenyan shillings, fiat currency. I simply pick an order that a peer-to-peer trader has posted for the USDT Kenyan shilling trading pair. I send them the money in Kenyan shillings via the M-Pesa app. Once they've received it, they deposit the USDT back into my Binance account. So I've just pretty much saved $5 or $6 and only paid about 1% in trading fees to Binance. And I can sell my USDT for Kenyan shillings if I want to revert back to local money. And guess what? It's all pretty simple. Now, in this system, the traders get rewarded for helping to complete these transactions. I don't have to start queuing up at a bank, showing my passport or ID, or going to a money exchange service like MoneyGram, saving myself time, effort and money. Even using services like MoneyGram are painful because there's so many rules and regulations. This is not what finance should look like in 2024. This, my friends, is the power of peer-to-peer. Peer-to-peer makes perfect sense. That's why I want to tell you to get involved now. Register your interest. As a peer-to-peer trader, I'm not kidding, everybody wins. When a bank prints money, you don't see it, but you bail them out when the system collapses. There are millions of dollars in circulation every minute, and I believe the average person should be able to take part in that. It shouldn't just rest in the hands of bankers who have created and manipulated the markets to work in their favour. The same way our peer-to-peer trades work, we are also planning to build a decentralized lending platform. More on that later. At Azima, our users are a global network of hard-working people, just like you and I, who can trade, lend and borrow money from each other in times of need. And the best thing is, everyone gets rewarded, creating a cycle of hope and positivity. There's a lot of stuff being said about 2024. From cyber attacks to Disease X to World War III, it's absolutely crazy. They can throw anything at us, but as long as people come together and help each other, we can make it through. We are at the beginning of our pre-seed funding round, where SEIS and EIS relief is available. Head over to our investment page now for more details. Now, I just touched on some of the points mentioned in this video, but if you'd like to dig in a little bit deeper, then you can read our white paper on the documentation page on our website. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed and learned something new. Please subscribe and follow our social media channels on Telegram, Meta, Instagram, Discord, Media, and subscribe to our mailing list for regular updates. Shegun Bakabiola, Azima. See you next time.